Yo guys, what's up? Mike Cass back at it with a brand new video. Drop shipping is basically on how I find winning products. And these products are not like 100% winning, but like obviously they're being pushed through Facebook, so not every product's gonna work, but it definitely takes out all the pain of like having to test everything, and it's just way easier. And this is how I found my winning product. Like today on my Shopify, I literally just created this store like maybe last week, so don't roast me, but I'm at like, you can see I don't want to show what I don't know, I'm at $200 today, like $20 Facebook ad spend. I'm gonna be spending way more on Facebook and then hopefully hit like 2 to 3K a day. But basically it's reverse engineering. So you wanna basically find Instagram story ads. And like I'll go over here, like this is someone's Instagram story. Like you literally just keep swiping until you see an ad, and then once you see their ad, you want to make sure that you swipe up. Like 100% you need to swipe up on every single ad, even if you're not interested or it's like a trash product and you know it. You want to swipe up just because what Facebook does. Well, Facebook owns Instagram, so what they do is when you click on an ad that, like, let's just say it cost them 2 cents for you to swipe up on that or whatever, like the advertiser or whatever. So here he's getting like the cheapest conversion, so you keep swiping ads, so they keep pushing more ads. I don't know, you guys probably understand, but story ads, I don't know, it's worked for me best on that because you can quickly just like scroll through this. You just want to keep scrolling on ads, and I don't know, for some reason today it's like taking a while for me to find ads. Like usually it's like 1 out of like 10 posts on story. Like you just keep swiping until you see an ad. So I'm gonna get back to you when I find an ad, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So yeah. Alright guys, hopefully this is a good example. It's saying personality test or something. What is your spirit? Like honestly nobody cares, but as long as we swipe up on this we'll be good because Facebook is going to push more ads to us. So this isn't necessarily a dropshipping store, but favorite, like, oh, what? Oh, there's an ad on an ad, bruh. This is dropshipping, but yeah, I'll get to the next ad and I'll tell you when. So it's just basically like in my stories or whatever. So okay, next ad we got is it's basically like a fake Yeezy thing, and something that I've honestly like seen on these fake Yeezy things. My phone's cracked, so that's why. But what's it called? Sometimes they'll put like a fake piece of hair, so you swipe up and like try to get rid of the hair. It's actually funny. But yeah, these are selling like a lot. But honestly, I don't recommend you selling it. It's just gonna be a pain. I don't really know. It's gonna be hard to sell. But yeah, you just keep basically scrolling through this, and then I'll tell you when I get my next ad. So. Alright, just a couple swipes later, they have a fake Balenciaga ad. I'm not really sure. I think, or no, there's like Yeezy and Balenciaga. I don't know. There's like some fake company, so that's really not drop shipping, but you get the idea. You just want to keep swiping, like no matter the ad, you want to swipe up, so Facebook keeps pushing ads. Like right now, like it literally takes me a couple swipes and I'll get an ad. So I'll get back to you when I have a drop shipping one. Okay guys, I believe this is the perfect example. This isn't necessarily a winning product, but I'm going to show you how you can still find a winning product just from seeing this ad. So basically, you know, free, I've seen this ad so many times, so definitely it's working for them. I don't recommend you selling it because they probably have the highest bid and stuff on Facebook, but basically once you're here, you want to swipe up, you know the drill. I'm trying to teach you guys so you can find winning products. First, take a look at their product page, see how it relates to your current website. So they have limited stock, 280, so you might want to say, oh, that looks good, let me put it on my website. Take stuff from their website. Like this product, I remember just get like Luke's like product reviews. It's basically like image product reviews. Their ad cart button color could be better, but I know these people are making bank, I'm pretty sure, at least from this ad. Yeah, you want to go to their store, and then there's a Chrome extension that's called Commerce Inspector. You can see their best sellers, but I think they already have it in order. If you can sort their store, I think no, they blocked it, but yeah, you can like normally sort it by best orders, and like you can probably still find winning products. Like I'm sure like right here you can definitely make good money. I don't know why it's $3. Maybe they charge like $5 shipping, but obviously I don't think they're advertising this product. But like you get the idea. Like you basically go through Instagram stories and then you swipe up, and then you basically have access. Yeah, so basically you're gonna find you're gonna have access to their store once you see an ad and it looks really good, and stuff. Like by looking at their store, if it's making money. Look at different products and see if they have product reviews for every single one. If all products like look like they put a time in it, because like at least for my website I'm not making like thousands a day yet, so I just like I just basically make the product that I'm advertising look good. Everything else like still has like AliExpress descriptions. Basically find an ad that looks good. Number one, has like a good product. Always keep swiping up on ads. Number two, download Commerce Inspector. It's a Chrome extension. It's basically like spy tools. You see their bestsellers. You see like all that stuff, how many sales they did. So it shows a whole bunch of hidden stuff. That's really important. So yeah, honestly, that's how I find my winning products. There's other methods, like I'm just gonna shoot some like random ones. You see like Instagram ads, like influencer ads, of course, and then like don't even, when you see an ad, like, yeah, look at the product that they're advertising, but look at their whole site and see what you can take from their site. Well, this video is not about that, but use Commerce Inspector, what I told you, to find the bestseller on their website, or at least like their like number 5 bestsellers, and then test those items. Like, they did the work for you. So without further ado, thank you guys for watching this video. You know, I'm gonna try to post every single day, drop knowledge on you guys, 100% free. I don't think I'll ever charge for my stuff. I doubt I'll make a course. I want to do like consulting calls and all that, and help you guys out. Like, honestly, I don't know everything, but I'll tell you, like, in terms of revenue, I've done several thousand. I've done 4 or 5 figures. I'm kind of fluctuating in between the two as of now, like 4 or 5 figures with Shopify. Yeah, honestly, I want to get like 4 figures a day. That'd be dope. But no, I've done that 4 figures, but like consistency is key. That's gonna be a whole nother video. But thanks for watching, guys. I have super bad ADHD. I'm always like saying like, oh, consistency is key. This Commerce Inspector. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. And yeah, that's how you find winning products. Smash the subscribe button. Peace.